Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off sound on the keyboard on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel disturbed and annoyed with the sound from the keyboard, that every time you type on the keyboard it will be sounding, and you feel disturbed, don't need to be worried guys, because you can turn it off the sound easily. And how to turn off the sound is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can show your own keyboard like this, and then after that now you can see if your keyboard is sounding, and then now you can go to settings menu and then go to preferences, and then after that here you can turn off the sound of key press, and yeah, your keyboard will not sounding anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for